Hi, Raisa. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You spoke with my employee, Haley, and said that we could send you this video. So I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that Google puts you at the top of all the searches that customers in your service areas are using to find roofers. And the reason we're doing this is because I actually used to own my own roofing company, so I understand the struggles contractors go through, but I also get being a busy business owner and not having that time to sit in front of the computer every day and learn how to make the internet work for you to bring the business to you. And the biggest thing that we found that holds business owners back from hiring a marketing agency is not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been lots of business owners that reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and you're confident in the results we can deliver you, then you can go ahead and give us a call and we can have a chat and see if you're going to be the best fit for being our exclusive client in your service areas. Otherwise, if you want to take the information and apply it yourself, that's absolutely okay. This is free education. I'm here to talk about just 3 quick points today. That's content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here. I love that you guys have that call to action all over. It looks great. The images are good. The color scheme is great. This is a good looking site. Now, the appearance is for the customers. Google does not rank a site based on appearance. Google is using bots called crawlers, and these crawlers are scanning all of the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in those customer search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage, and then on each back service page, you're going to want to put at least 500 words. When you get these words in, you also want to be using a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content to support it. When you have your site built this way, it's actually going to do 2 things for you. It's going to show Google that you're an expert in the industry, and it will have Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers and more business. Now, an example of a keyword is Nashville roofing companies. This keyword's getting almost 600 searches a month, but this is just an example of one place that you guys have as a service area. So the opportunity for you is really exponential. So for an example though, when customers do a search, they're gonna see this map pack or Google My Business. I like to call it the GMB. To get this optimized, keep in mind, these are geographic based. You're going to be wanting to set up a GMB for each area that you service. You have a lot of service areas, so you want to get each one done. Once that's done, add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you need to get your contact information into Citations, which are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, but you want to have your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors for each GMB to start ranking in the top 3. And when you do that, you're going to get more of the customers because these are where they call the most in the map pack. Now, down here is called the organic search results. The top few sites get rotated by Google in a Google dance, but if you notice, the top competitor right now is also dominating the map pack. So let's take a look at Nashville Roofing Company and see what they've got going on. So they don't have a lot of content. What this means is that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb, even right now, is going to help you beat them. For the other side of things, we use this paid tool called Ahrefs. Now, this is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. So I can see here that your homepage has a ranking of 27, and the entire website has a domain ranking of 10. Now, these rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is made in part by the backlinks. A backlink is just when another website online links to your site and pushes traffic to you. Google gets very competitive, so be cautious. Not all backlinks are created equal. Before you link to a site, make sure it is high ranking and relevant to the services you provide and the industry you're in. Now, right now you have 422 links coming from 56 sites. You have 222 keywords you are getting ranked for, somewhere between the first page and the 99th page of Google. Right now, all this is giving you 79 traffic a month. If we take a look at your competitor, just for one service area you have, we're going to see they have a stronger homepage, right? Stronger homepage, weaker site overall, less backlinks coming from more sites, and they have more keywords. But look at that traffic, 456 traffic a month. So what we're going to do is we will actually go through all the backlinks your top competitors in every service area are using, and we'll find the best quality ones to put onto your site and give you that ranking and authority. Then we're going to hunt down backlinks none of your competitors are using that are going to be put on your site to have you dominating the market in each service area. So right now, their links, like I said, it's all coming out to that 456. But that's just to show you, like, this is one competitor for one service area. You guys have a plethora of service areas, so the opportunity for you to hit 1,000 plus traffic each month is absolutely possible. You just need to know how to get in front of Google's language so that you can be at the top of the search results. Quick recap. You're going to want to make sure you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage. With so many service areas, maybe move it up to 2,000. For the back service pages, you're going to want to get at least 750. Use that rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content to support it. Then you want to get Google My Business listings set up for each service area and get your contact information into as many online directories as you can. And you want to go get high quality backlinks that are high ranking and relevant to your industry. With these 3 steps, you guys will be ranking #1 across Google and dominating all of these areas. So, I'm sorry the video went a little long. I know it's a lot of information, but you can take it and apply it yourself. Like I said, it's free education. My team is really just looking for the feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value when we send out these videos. If you did want any help getting this stuff done because you see the value in it and you just know that you are already stretched too thin but need help with it, give us a call. We will have a chat, see if we're going to be a good fit. And like I said, we're only looking to take on one client in each area because we don't like competing with ourselves. So if you want to be our exclusive client for the different service areas you cover, we are more than happy to have that conversation. We can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or employees if you're looking to grow your work crews. I will have Haley follow up in the next few days just to get feedback for the video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it and letting us send it to you. I really hope you guys got good value out of it. Take care and enjoy your weekend.